Hey guys, I was experimenting here and I want to share this hack with y'all. It's basically a blooming gel hack is what I'm going to call it. I'm so excited to share this with y'all because I was not wanting to share this until I tested it out with different things that I had here. And I'm going to show you what I learned. So I found 4 polishes, different brands, and I tested each of them out to give this effect, this blooming effect, right? This one didn't work out pretty well at all. This took forever to bloom. It took forever for the color to like really just spread out. That's what I'm trying to say. And so I will show you guys from trial and error. This one was pretty cool because it gave this also like tearing effect when it bloomed. So if you kind of want that cool effect as well, I'll show you what I used. So we are going to do white backgrounds because I did this on video, but then I was like, no, let trial and error so that I could give you a better video. But this polish worked the best. Well, one of the ones that worked the best. 3 of them out of the 4 that I used worked amazing. And so if you guys want to find out what I did, keep watching. If you don't really want to hear me talk, just turn off the volume. Turn off the volume. I don't know what to tell you. But let's have fun and experiment. So, what I used, and you'll probably see video, well, you might find one video out there. It was from years and years ago. But I used base coat. So if you're struggling and you've been wanting to get a blooming gel, but you're just like, you don't know which one to get, blah, 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 long story for you. What I did was I just use base coat, and that's what I use. I found that very few work. So you have to kind of like whatever ones you have, use them and see what works best for you because you won't find out until you try it. So these are the 3 brands that I basically used that actually worked, which is the beauty one. You can probably find this on Amazon. I'm not sure. I got it in a gift, in a gift, a polygel set. So I got this base coat. Another one that worked really, really good was the Young Nails. This is the Chrome Obsession base gel, but their base gel is the same formula. So it's just their base gel. Young Nails is base gel. And the Gelish base gel. These 3 worked the best. I also tried the IBD base gel. It did not work. It didn't even spread. It didn't blend the color or any of that. So I don't want you to go through that process. It could be too that it's kind of cold outside. So I guess if the temperature is warmer inside of your home or whatever, maybe it might work, but it didn't work for me and I let it sit there for a good while. I've tried top coats, believe me. I've tried other just watery gels and that's not the case. I think it's the formula. So I'm going to show you guys right now. So I'm going to use the beauty one on this first nail. I already pre-polished these with a white gel. Whatever white gel or whatever color you want to use as your base color. I'm just using white so you can see the effect. And I'm going to use a color gel, but the same color to go over each brand. The next one that I'm going to use is the Young Nails beside that one. And don't skimp out on the base gel. Like you want it to like flow. So you don't want it to be streaky or too thin where the polish cannot move or expand, but at the same time you don't want to use so much where it's like falling off the edges. And then the gelish brush, it's like so small so it kind of like streaks out the color, I mean the polish, so you just have to kind of go over some spots. I don't know if they have a different brush on there now, but and these are all the base gels. Do not cure. Don't cure. You do your design first. So I'm just going to do that simple streak design. And I'm just going to use the same color for all of them, like I said. So it's like, you can see that each one does their own effect. So I just basically one like that, and like that. And you can start seeing that one will expand really quickly. Oops. See how that one started blooming? This one, they just started blooming right away. And that's the effect you will get if you get a blooming gel, but I learned that you get the same effect if you use some base gels. It just depends. They don't all work the same. But look, it's already expanding the color. So there you guys have it. You can use your base coat to get the blooming gel effect. Just experiment. Like, that's the only thing I can tell you. But you know for sure that these ones do work because I showed you here. And then once you get it to expand as much you want, or to bloom as much you want it to, then you pop it in there and you cure it. So I did try different colors by different brands. You just kind of have to experiment. Even if it's a thicker gel, this one was actually Macart, and it worked really awesome. I have Macart, I use the Valentino, I use Young Nails, I use OPI, I use the other one was Model Ones, D&D, I use IBD and the Kira Sky. They all worked amazing to bloom in those three colors. So, I mean, I hope this helps whoever, but look how pretty that looks. The possibilities are endless. You could do so much with that, and just have fun. I wanted to share this because I know this is going to be really, really helpful for you if you, especially you like need a quick, do this really quick for one of your clients and you don't have necessarily have a blooming gel. This would be perfect for you and it will help you so much. It'll save money too because blooming gels are like really expensive too if you want a really good one. And if you can't really order it right now or whatever the case, like this will help you out. So I love making videos like this that will help you. And I did find one, but it was from years and years and years ago. I'm gonna try to find it because man, it was a while back because blooming gel has been around for like years, but right now it's like people are using it a lot more often again. And so all the designs a lot of people are making, like this would be so pretty, like with red and white, like candy cane kind of, whatever for Christmas coming up, or just, in general, just to make really cool designs. You could do the flower effect that I've been seeing a lot of people do with the rose. You could just do lines just like I did. You could do dots. You could do the crocodile effect. Yeah. So have fun. God bless you guys. Thank you for watching. And I will try to come back and share another video with you guys. I did do a video of this simple design on my nails. My nails are already growing out, but I did do a video. I'm going to try to upload it of just a simple, it was like the simplest way that you could do this, what is it called, like the tortoiseshell design nail inspired, but it's so simple, for short nails or long nails, whatever. But yeah, all right guys, have a blessed day and thanks for watching. Bye.